Hi, I'm Mary Jane de Lumpines. I am 46 years old. I am married. I have only one child and she's 18 years old. My working experience in abroad was back in 2003 to 2005 and it was Finnish contract. It was in Saudi Arabia. There are 7 members in the family and they are all adults. Back then, I was also working as a nanny, a cook, and as a factory worker here in the Philippines. Lately, I was also working as a nanny with 2 boys, 2 years old and 8 years old. But sadly, they relocate the house. That's why I'm looking forward to look for an employer there in Hong Kong. And I hope that I can find an employer that can appreciate me. My skills are cooking, taking care of a child, teaching and tutoring a child. I can do also household chores or cleaning the house. And I can also care a pet because I have a pet in my house. It's a dog. I am caring, responsible, flexible, and hardworking person. I prefer to work alone, but it doesn't matter also if I can work with a coworker. I hope that I can find an employer with a family. It doesn't matter with child or adults. I hope that you will choose me. Thank you, and please check my profile in Helper Library. I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.